Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate a YouTube thumbnail with Nano Banana. The first thing I want you to do is just go to Google and then search up 16:9. This is the aspect ratio. Under images, I want you to come and download any of these. So just right click on it and then save image as and then download it. Once that is done, you go to Gemini. You can open up a new chat. Okay, click here on tools, toggle on create images. So basically you're using, Nano Banana. And then I want you to go ahead and drag and drop what you just downloaded. So we'll drag and drop this. This is the aspect ratio. And then we go ahead and add a prompt. Okay, so that is what we do. We just come here, click on submit. I'll show you the other prompts as well that you can go ahead and use. Everything here will be in the description. Okay, these are just some examples. Of course, you can use your own face as well. You just describe what you want. You have to be a bit detailed with this. Okay, so you choose the colors you want, the style. Okay, here I told them subject on the right, space on the left for text. So let's come back. As you can see, it did a pretty good job. If you want a realistic person, you can ask it to be photorealistic. It will do a good job. Let me show you this one right here. I can go ahead and use a face. So this is, a person. You can go ahead and use that. So you just come here and use the image of that person. So you just drag and drop that, add the prompt, as you can see. And Gemini will actually do a good job. Just make sure you use the aspect ratio so you get something like this. And that is how to generate a YouTube thumbnail with Nano Banana.